We now have our instance running. Note that I had other instances previously, but those are in the terminated state. Let's click at the instance ID to view its details. We can see details including the state of the instance, the IP addresses, instance type, etc. To connect the instance, we need to click on the Connect button. Choose EC2 Instance Connect. This is what we will use for this course, but understand there are other ways to do it. Click Connect. And there you go. The connection attempt was successful. Now that we have our own instance up and running, we can run some commands, for example, df to check disk space, uptime, print working directory, list directory, etc. Let's close the session by typing exit. Before we end this lesson, let's terminate the EC2 instance. Click on the instance state, select Terminate or Delete Instance. Click Terminate to confirm. That will be the end of this lesson on connecting to the instance. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.